Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your device can show detailed imagery. Enable location services and Wi-Fi for accuracy, then open Apple Maps and type the address. Tap the place card to expand details. Once done, look for imagery or 3D options. If you see a photo thumbnail or a small globe, that's your entry. You're beginning the step that swaps a map pin for a visual exploration, so focus on getting the correct place card before moving to view. Once you've opened the place card, tap the look around thumbnail or the street-level imagery icon. That launches the immersive view. Use a single finger to drag and pan, and pinch to zoom. Double tap to jump forward on a street. Make sure to use the compass or the 3D button to reorient. This helps you understand where you are in relation to landmarks. If the area lacks look around, switch to 3D or satellite to get the best visual cues. To finish, tap Done or the back arrow and save the spot as a favorite if you'll return. If you don't see look around, make sure Maps is updated, clear caches by restarting the app, and toggle location services. Sometimes imagery isn't available for every street. In that case, test a major nearby intersection or try another device. If problems persist, reboot the device and check iOS updates. Most availability issues resolve after updating and restarting the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.